Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download forex systems, forex robots, forex strategies, indicators, books and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic. In this video we talk about how do you know you are ready to trade forex full time. Let's face it, every one of us who joined forex trading, we look forward to a day when we can actually be able to fire our boss, to be able to say to your boss, I'm quitting, I'm going, and I'm never coming back. I'm going to live the life of freedom, financial freedom, the freedom to buy whatever you want, the freedom to be wherever you want, to go on holidays, to spend time with your family, with your kids, with your wife, with your husband, and not worry about money, and not worry about money for school fees, money for rents, for the mortgage, for car insurance, for fuel, for things like that. So what I find is most people actually go into forex trading and they attempt to do it full time without proper preparation. You cannot just quit your job and decide you are going to be trading forex full time. I've seen people who have tried to do that and it has not ended well for them. So you need a kind of preparation. You also need to decide for yourself if you are ready to trade forex full time. So here are some of the things that you need to consider before you go all in, before you put in that resignation letter and decide to trade forex full time. First of all, you need to have some monies saved up. You need to have a lot of money saved up. By a lot of money, it's relative. It depends on the lifestyle that you have been living whilst you were working your 9 to 5. So it depends with the lifestyle that you have been living and the lifestyle that you probably are going to be living and the costs that are involved. But what you need is you need to have as much money saved up to cover your monthly expenses. I would say you need to be able to cover your monthly expenses for up to a year. If you have saved enough money to be able to cover your monthly expenses for up to a year, you are in a good position to leave your job and attempt forex trading full-time. If it doesn't work out in that year, at least you are not going to starve. At least you are not going to feel the pressure, the pressure to want to make money as quickly as possible, which often ends in people blowing up their accounts because they are trying to make as much money as possible, because it's the money that they are depending on. So if you're not depending on the forex trading profits, and you've got some money saved up, then you can actually take time, as much time that you need to actually learn forex trading and do it the right way. So first point is have enough saved up, have enough money saved up for your monthly expenses, You also need to make sure that emotionally you are prepared for the transition, because you're probably used to having a boss tell you when to wake up, when to come to work, when to go home and do all the things. Now that you've resigned and you've basically no boss, you find that sometimes people tend to just relax because they've got no goals, they've got no targets, they've got nobody telling them it's time to do this. So you need to prepare for that. You need to set for yourself ground rules. How are you going to be doing it? How are you going to go through a trading day? What time are you going to wake up? What time are you going to go to the charts? What time are you going to go off the charts? And things like that. So you need to structure everything. You need to have a structure for everything. How are you going to pay yourself? How are you going to do this? How are you going to handle that? Have a structure. Have a structure in place so that your transition from your job to your trading full-time is not a disaster. Then, if you dabbled in forex trading before quitting your job, you need to first of all be consistently profitable. Trust me, you need to first of all be consistently profitable. Don't just resign from your job because you had a lucky streak. Maybe for a month you happen to chance on a trend, and you happen to chance on that trend, and now you think you are the world's best trader. You need to be consistently profitable. I would say for at least a year. Be consistently profitable for at least a year. And having lost money and having made money, you should have also have lost money. It's important because it teaches you the mental side of trading. If you've lost money, you have gone through the pain of losing money, you know how to react when you are actually doing it full time. It's not just about making money. So make sure that you are consistently profitable before you take the plunge. It's important. Then you need to have a support system in place. Have a support system in place, whether it's your parents, whether it's your wife, whether it's your friends, people who are going to be with you when the going gets tough. Because hard times are going to come, and you're going to wish you probably were still at your workplace. You're going to wish you still had your old job back. So you need to have a support system in place. Most likely you are going to be trading alone in your house, in your room, alone, without workmates, without colleagues, without nobody around you. And if you are a person who is social and we're used to office gossip, to chatting with friends, chatting with colleagues, meeting with clients and things like that, now that you suddenly have to work from home alone in your dark corner and just working the market, you might break down. So you're actually going to need a support system, people who can stand. I apologize, I got interrupted there. So you're going to need people to support you when the going gets tough, because trading sometimes can become lonely. Trading can sometimes become lonely, so you need people who will be there to support you all the way. So I hope these pointers actually help you decide whether full-time forex trading is for you or it's not for you yet. It's not for you yet. If you have other ideas, other points, please leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.